Brought me home a bag of cherries, ate the whole thing, mouth was red. We laughed so hard that summer night, couldn't hear what Grandpa said. We'd jump right off that old wood dock, scrape for mussels in the mud, cook 'em up or eat 'em raw. Tasted just like love and fun. And the river rolled slow and kind, like the love we left behind. Brown water turning gold at night, shining where the years have gone. I still hear their voices soft and low in the ripples in the undertow. And I know I'm not alone in that river, water in the sun. There's a sandbar where we'd play all day, said the tikis lived across the way. We'd tell ghost stories just for fun, then laugh and run till the night begun. Grandpa'd clean perched by the firelight, showed me pearls behind their eyes. Grandma'd smile and say, now hush, let's chase the stars across the sky. And the river rolled slow and kind, like the love we left behind. Brown water turning gold at night, shining where the years have gone. I still know their laughter on the shore, feel their hands forevermore. And I know I'm their only one, that river, water in the sun. Pennies on the track would shine flat and warm in the summertime. He taught me where the diamond lies, she taught me how to cry. When the turtles swam away, Grandma'd say that's love's own way. You gotta let the river in the side. Winter came with heavy snow, got snowed in and didn't go. Ribbon candy, Christmas lights, golden girls through cozy nights. I finally sat at the grown-up side, didn't know why they laughed so wide, but it felt like home, it felt like grace. Every smile lit up that place. And the river rolled slow and kind, carrying hearts we leave behind. Brown water turning gold at night, shining where the years have gone. I still hear their voices soft and low in the rills in the undertow. And I know I'm not alone in that river, water in the sun. The Mississippi ran slow and wide behind my grandparents' home. What I saw, what I lived was love, pure and simple as the river in the sun.